Welcome to my baking aisle. Let's bake these beautiful, delicious flour cookies. Start by adding 250 grams softened unsalted butter into a bowl. Then using a hand mixer, beat until the butter becomes a spread. Then add 40 grams icing sugar and continue mixing. As always, don't forget to scrape down the sides and the bottom of your bowl and then continue mixing. Next, you want to add 200 grams condensed milk, and half teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix again. When it is well incorporated, scrape down the sides of your bowl and then place a sieve over this bowl. Then add 350 grams all-purpose flour, 40 grams cornstarch, and quarter teaspoon salt. Now using a spatula, mix all the ingredients together until it has this thick consistency. When you're done, you're going to divide your cookie dough into the number of colors you wish to work with. I divided mine into 5. For this project, you're going to need gel food color. Liquid food color will not work for this one, okay? Now using small amounts at a time, gently work this color into your dough. Be careful not to knead the dough so as not to agitate the gluten in the flour, okay? When you're done coloring all your dough, place pieces of cling film onto your work surface. Place each colored dough on each cling film and then roll them to form lugs, just like this. Now, during the coloring process, it's a good idea to have one of your dough portions colored into green because green is going to form your base here, okay? To assemble this cookie, you will need a piping tip, a large one just like this one, a piping bag, and parchment line tray, okay? Now you're going to begin by piping the green dough onto the parchment paper just like this. Next, you're going to layer this green dough with other colors, okay? This is where you go creative and add whichever color you want. You can even layer colors. Now, optionally, you can add edible beads to the center of your flowers. This is not absolutely necessary, but it looks so beautiful if you do it. It's time to bake it in your oven that is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for anywhere between 12 minutes and 15 minutes. And guys, this is what you have. Just look how beautiful that is. Now you're going to place that onto a wired rack and allow it to cool completely. Guys, this is absolutely beautiful. Now to store these cookies, place them in airtight container and place it in your fridge and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. And when you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.